Hey guys, so today I've got these fidgets. I'm going to be showing you guys. Okay, this is my jumbo puppet. One of my favourite puppets. Well, it pretty much is my favourite. This wacky track, I made it look like a PS5 controller. This glow-in-the-dark puppet, it doesn't really work, the glow, so... Oh, one of my favourites too, Dimple. One of my favourites. Got a kind of monkey noodles. Very soft, homemade balloon stress ball, flower inside. Magnet rings. Very fun. Hard rice ball. This is the hard rice ball. It's pretty yellow. And clay ball. My favourite colour, green. Very soft homemade stress ball. Rice. This. Colour changing. I think mini kneader. And look. Brown. Squeeze it, turns to pink. And my tangle. It's all my fidgets. Comment down below if you like this video. Share with a couple friends if you can. And subscribe to my channel. Drop a like. And see you in the next video, guys. Peace.